too, yeah. So, for a starter, Gabby actually made this up. She says that if someone requested it, then I would do it. And it's 8 and not 10 because she couldn't think of 10, stupidly. So right here, I've just got written down the facts that she said in her videos, but I'm going to like convert them into my version. So let's just... Okay, so my full name is Amy Oliver Simpson. Amy is French. Oliver is from my dad's dad, and Simpson is from my mum's dad. My age is 11, and yes, for those who were asking, Gabby is older than me by like 3 months. My birthday is on the 28th of February 2005, so I've got to wait until after Christmas, 2 months after Christmas. Well, technically, it's the last day of that month, so I've got to wait 3 months after Christmas. So, yeah, my favourite food is pasta, the ham, bacon, cheese. My favourite YouTuber is Zoella, obviously. If you go on our subscription list on our channel,